What's the meaning of Bob Hope? Bob Hope. Bob Hope.
Bob Hope. Bob Hope. Bob Hope was an iconic American comedian, actor, and dancer who was widely recognized for his wit and humor. Born in 1903 in England, Hope and his family migrated to the United States when he was a child. He began his career in entertainment in the 1920s with vaudeville acts and later made his way to radio, television, and movies. Hope was known for his rapid-fire delivery of jokes, his hilarious one-liners, and his ability to poke fun at himself and current events. In addition to his entertainment career, he also made significant contributions to various charities, including the United Service Organizations, USO, during World War II.